आज हम ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड सैनिटेशन देखेंगे, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले डिफिनीशन ऑफ हेल्थ एज डिफाइंड बाय WHO देखते हैं, ठीक है। तो WHO के द्वारा हेल्थ को कैसे डिफाइन, हेल्थ इज ए स्टेट ऑफ कंप्लीट फिजिकल एंड मेंटल एंड सोशल फॉर फॉर वेल बीइंग एंड नॉट merely an absence of disease or infirmity, ठीक है। तो WHO हेल्थ को कैसे डिफाइन करता है, स्टेट ऑफ फिजिकल मेंटल एंड सोशल फॉर वेल बीइंग एंड नॉट merely an absence of disease or infirmity, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। अब किस तरीके से हम हैंड वॉश धुलते हैं, कौन सा ऑर्डर होता है, ठीक है। सबसे पाम धुलते हैं, बैक ऑफ हैंड, फिर ब्रेस्ट धुलते हैं, ठीक है। रिस्ट धुलते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट a component of the health lead model which have received behavioral control। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। स्टेप ऑफ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट, a sperm fertilize ova and form zygote, embryo formation, fetus and fetus and child and then adult, hence ABCD is the correct sequence, ठीक है। Next, the form of medication which is a liquid suspension applied externally to protect skin is which is a lotion. PQLI is based on which is based on the when the infant mortality, life expectancy and adult literacy rate. Next, with respect to hand washing procedure, identify the incorrect statement, ठीक है। तो वेट हैंड एंड रेजन थ्रोली सही है, यूज बार ऑफ सोप सही है, डिस्पेंस क्लीनिंग एजेंट फ्रॉम डिस्पेंसर ये आपका गलत है, ठीक है। रोल अप द स्लीव्स एंड रिमूव द रिस्ट वॉच, ठीक है। ज्वेलरी और रिस्ट वॉच, ठीक है, तो ये भी सही है। डी ऑप्शन, सी ऑप्शन इज रॉन्ग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। स्टेटमेंट वन, methylene blue reduction test is for estimating fat content in milk. Statement 2, pasteurization by Holders method is heating milk at 100 degrees centigrade 15 minutes. Hence statement 1 and is true, but statement 2 is false. Sorry, both statements is false. Which of the following is a place at the top of pyramid according to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which is the self-actualization? Socioeconomic status in urban area is indicated by which of the following, which is correct answer is the Kaplan scale. Sanitation means proper disposal of human and animal waste, avoiding of open defecation. Important factor of maintaining proper sanitation is in the practice of open defecation. Hygiene is the set of practice performed for prevention of health. Hygiene refer to maintain health and prevent the spread of disease. Washing hand is essential, remove harmful germs. Due to germs, the common disease, common cold and diarrhea. Wash and wash stand for WA means water, S for sanitation, H for hygiene. Open defection, defection cause water contamination. Menstrual Menstrual hygiene is an issue associated women and adolescent girl. Poor sanitation condition lead spread of infection disease like diarrhea, typhoid, cholera, polio, hepatitis, etc. UID consists of CUT 380A, CUT 380B, multi-load 375, Nova T, lips loop. Hence A, C, D and E only is correct. पब्लिक हेल्थ में फूड स्टैंडर्ड एंड सेफ्टी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया कम्स अंडर विच इसका मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली welfare. Which of the following factors are common to both acute and chronic malnutrition, which is the weight for age? Next. Statement 1, anemia is the leading cause of the maternal death in India. Statement 2, around 50% of female in India are anemic. Hence, statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is true. Consequence of no iron in diet is low iron diet, iron deficiency, anemia, shock, death due to anemia. Hence, correct option is the A, B, C, D, T, and E. All statement is correct. Next, Salmonella food poisoning is most commonly caused by which is Salmonella hypotherium. Characteristic of primary health care is a more complex problem are dealt with. Second level of referral. It is the first level of contact of the community with the health system. Most of the health problem of the people are dealt with and is very effective as medical officer with basic medical qualification assessed by nursing and paramedical person. Hence, CDE is correct. Carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in the ratio which is in ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1. Diagnostic power of test is reflected by which is a predictive valve. Statement 1 type question like this. Statement 1 relative risk is used to estimate risk of disease with exposure to a factor. Statement 2 RR is the importance to clinical whereas population attributable risk PAR is of importance to public health manager and epidemiologist, which is both statement 1 and 2 are true. Secondary attack rate refers to which is infectivity. Web of cortisone of myocardial infarction, stress, emotional distribution leading to increased blood pressure, hypertension, change in walls of attrition may cause coronary confusion, myocardial infarction, myocardial ischemia. Hence, correct answer is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Time interval between diagnosis by early detection and diagnosis by other means is which is a lead time. Tip of iceberg refers to which is a clinical case. Period between the entry of organism in the host and appearance of sign and symptom is called which is a incubation period. Prevalence of disease is estimated by cross-sectional study. The agent host environment model of health and illness is based on the concept of which is the infection disease. A step of planning cycle, assessment of resource, analysis of health situation and establishment of goals, monitoring and evaluation, fixing priorities, write up the formulated plan and programming. Hence, B, A, D, E and C is the correct option. Important stop curve cycle, succinate, malate, alpha keto, glycerate, citrate, oxalactate. Hence, correct option is the D, A, C, B, A, E. Then, okay. Phase of clinical trial, safety and efficiency, safety and dosing, laboratory study, post marketing safety and efficiency, safety evaluation or at initial stage. Hence, C, E, B, and A, D. Right. Step to conduct randomized control trial. Randomize, select the experiment or study population, target population, assessment, manipulation, and follow up. Hence, option C is correct. C, B, A, E, T. Match the following. Next question, the germ theory of disease, which is correct. Louis Pasteur. ठीक है. A का third. National AIDS Control, which is 1987. Father of public health, which is correct. Answer is John Snow. And cartative organism smallpox, which is Varicella virus. Hence, option B is correct. A teaching hospital is a facility at which is a tertiary healthcare level. Epidemiological triad consists of which is a agent, host, and environment. Hygiene. Most effective sanitizing agent is Dettol. The reason for regular practice of hand washing techniques in hospital is for the which is for prevention of cross infection. Next question देखते हैं. All of the following areas comes under personal hygiene except which is the wound damaged. All the following means the personal hygiene except which is the I think fighting. Providing health education about the environmental hygiene to the community people is an example of which is structural communication. Community diagnosis is important because to know status of health, to understand disease epidemiology, to know major health problem, to calculate prevalence of disease, to know factor causing these health problems. Hence, C, A, C, and E is correct. The estimated average requirement EAR is estimated nutrient adherence of dash of the health population, which is 50%. The third generation of GM crops are called, which is a plants as factories. Identify the steps involved in risk assessment in the right order. Exposure assessment, hazard characterization, risk characterization, hazard identification. Hence 4213. Fruits and vegetables discolor when burst or cut due to which is a enzymatic browning. The correct definition of eligible couple is which is for a couple with wife in reproductive age group 15 to 45 years. Most common mode of transmission of nosocomial infection is which is direct contact. Vitamin H is also referred as to which is a biotin. Pellagra is caused by deficiency of vitamin B3. Assertion: Vitamin A deficiency is leading cause of preventable blindness in children. Reason: night blindness is classically associated with vitamin A deficiency. So both statements are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Carbohydrate provide 4 kilocalorie per gram of energy. Active form of vitamin D, which is 1,25 dihydroxyl chloro cholecalciferol. Vitamin K is most widely distributed in the plant kingdom is which is a phyllobogyan. A non-nutrient compound found in plant-derived food that have biological activity in the body are which is a phytochemicals. Dash is called the vitamin B6, which is a pyridoxine. The nutrients responsible for cellular regeneration is which is a protein. Beta Beta carotene is dash protein, which is a fibrous. Malnutrition may occur condition like improper nutrients or digestive condition. Standing and nutritional standing reduce growth rate in human development. Safe sanitation prevent disease by disease causing germs. Example: flies, mosquito, cockroach from contacting the faces. Color, shape, and structure of fungus: teeny, blackish, grayish, rounded, and structure. Germs can spread food to hand, animal to people through air, water, and disease carriage. Amino acids which are synthesized in the body are called as amino acid. Correct answer is the C. Non-essential. The protein content of 100 gram serves of chicken egg is which is a 12.6 gram. All of the following is example of nominal scale except body weight. Daily requirement of iodine in adult is which is a 150 mcg. BOAA is the toxin responsible for neuroletharism. Act serves malnutrition diagnosis criteria including all except weight for height below 25D of WHO growth standard 2006. DASH stand for which is stand for dietary approach to stop hypertension. Which of the following vitamins are not water soluble? Which is tocopherol. Given below the are two statements. Statement one: proteins are complex organic nutritious compound. Statement two: proteins are made up of 16 different amino acids, of which 7 are essential amino acids. Hence, statement one is correct. Statement two is false. Step for mouth assist mouth, esophagus, stomach at instantine. Hence, 1, 2, 3 is correct. D option is correct. मैच द फॉलोइंग ठीक है तो आपको पता है विटामिन ए विच इज कॉजेबल नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस विटामिन सी which is I think ammonia, ठीक है, AB3 and 4, sorry, which is think is carry होगा, which one correct, A, ठीक है, हाँ, तो विटामिन ए होगा आपका, ठीक है। तो हमारा ये विटामिन ए के बारे में क्या हो जाएगा, विटामिन ए हो जाएगा नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस, और विटामिन सी स्क्वेरी, और आयोडीन, आयोडीन से आपका हो जाएगा गोइ गोइत्री, आयरन से अमोनिया, हेंस ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Ion exchange chromatography spread the protein based on which is charge. Western bolting is the technique used for detecting proteins. The key regulatory enzyme of glycosyl is which is the phosphopracticin 1. ठीक है? India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine by Bharat Biotech is developed in collaboration with Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, National Institute of Virology, and IB. ठीक है। For which of the following disease the toxide is used in achieve immunization for, which is for diphtheria. Post exposure vaccine is used in which is a rabies. BCG is given in the age of for institutional deliveries which is at birth. Live attenuated vaccine which is in BCG vaccine. Submitted recombinant protein which is the hepatitis B vaccine. Scandin toxide which is the rabies vaccine. Killed inactivated vaccine is diphtheria vaccine, and option C is correct. Sorry. Uh, 2 and 4th, ठीक है, एंड C1 इज द समिट ऑक्साइड इज डाइफ्यूरिड वैक्सीन होगा, ठीक है, थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई। वन का BCG वैक्सीन, बी विच इज़ द हेपेटाइटिस बी टॉक्सिनिड टॉक्साइड डाइफ्यूरिड वैक्सीन, एंड किल्ड एक्टिवेटेड विद रेबीज वैक्सीन, है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द इनडायरेक्ट orchestratory method is used for the measurement of blood pressure. Diabetes should eat less of which it is saturated fat. Adverse event following immunization caused by age of vaccine recipient, immunization error related reaction, vaccine product related reaction, coincidental event, immunization anxiety related reaction, hence B, C, D, and E is only correct. Assertion and reasoning. Assertion. Vaccine vial monitor is the maker of potency but measure cumulative heat exposure or over time. VBM indicating efficiency of cold chain. Hence, both statement correct, or R is the correct explanation of A. Given below the two statement 1. Triangle of epidemiology include interaction and interdependence of agent, host, environment, and type. Statement 2. Epidemiological triad consists of agent, host, and environment. Hence, both statement is true. Match the following, which is the white is a genetic Eucler disease, gray which is the uterus carvial discharge, green vaginal discharge, yellow lower abdominal pain. Hence, B's statement is correct. Maslow hierarchy is which is the psychological safety belonging esteem self actualization. Cold chain refers to which is for storage and transport vaccine at low temperature. It is specific mask used for prevent HINI is which is correct answer is the which is a HEPA mask. Next question. The solution used to disinfect the bed lean of COVID positive patient which is sodium hypochlorite. Which of the following disease is spread in drinking contaminated water which is typhoid? Which of the following is a risk factor for a non-communicable disease? Cigarette use, other form of smoking, low vaccination coverage, lifestyle change, dietary patterns, physical activity, immunodeficiency, stress factor, and A, C, and E is only correct. What is the correct order of following stage in case of cholera? Stage of evacuation, stage of recovery, stage of collapse, and ACB is correct. In which year of the world was declared free of smallpox, which is 1980? Salmonella bacteria usually spread via which is raw meat, egg, and poultry. The deficiency of disease related to protein, energy, malnutrients is which is Kawasaki. Biodirectional screening was done and recommended for HIV, TB, diabetes, mellitus, cancer, hypertension, hence TB and only for cancer B and C. Sorry, B and D I think. ठीक है. Which one is TB and cancer के लिए. There B. Sorry, I think paper check कर लेते हैं. B, which is for diabetes or mellitus, TB and diabetes and PC. ठीक. Drug of choice for treating cholera in adult in single dose of which doxycycline. Chickenpox is characterized by all except which a deep-seated and multifocal rust. Exam point is important point declare that waterborne disease cholera is transmitted by Vibrio cholera. Waterborne virus infection is jaundice. The presence of bacteria in water cause disease. The organism present in water causing infection disease are virus, protozoa, fungi. A chemical used in inhibiting the growth of algae is algicides. The presence of algae in water indicates that water is acidic. Compound is widely used for algae controls copper sulfate. Pathogenic bacteria cause disease. Bacteria coil or E. Escherichia coli are harmless organisms, but their presence in water indicates the presence of pathogenic bacteria. Diseases such as typhoid are caused by bacteria called pathogenic bacteria. Global eradication is smallpox was achieved on which is 8th May 1980. Virulence of a disease indicated by which is a case fertility rate. Measure following vitamin B1, which is the uh, very vitamin D, which is caused the rickets protein, which is used for Kawasaki disease, and the vitamin B3, which is Peluguera. Hence, D option is correct. Next question: the tick-borne diseases, which is a Rocky Mountain Spotted Fever. API stand for which is annual parasitic index. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. स्टेटमेंट वन. जनरेशन टाइम इज द इम्पोर्टेंट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर 50% cause of occur. Second is serial interval is the gap on upset between primary case and secondary case. Hence, option D is correct. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Daily stand for which is stand for durability, adjustment, life years. Continuous variable include serum, cholesterol, blood pressure, height, and the and rust in malaise and itching. Hence, correct statement is 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 only. Next question देखते हैं. Assertion: hypertension is a iceberg disease. Reason: only about half of hypertension subject in general population are aware of the condition. ठीक है. तो hence correct, both statement is correct. R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion: dengue virus are the obvious virus. Reason: dengue virus have three stereotypes. Hence A assertion is true, but reason is false. Which of the following waterborne disease? Cholera, tuberculosis, HIV/AIDS, Lithospirus Gardius, which is the 1, 4, and 5 is correct. Given below the statement assertion, most effective strategy to combat COVID-19 infection is to apply measures and vaccination. Reason: COVID-19 is caused by viral infection. Hence, both statement correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Common cold is caused by which is called by influenza virus. Which protein is a SARS-CoV-2 interact with ACE2 replicator of human host, which is spike protein. Which antibody is a maker of allergic reaction in human being, which is a IgE. Match the following, which is the Salmonella typhi, which is the Correct answer is a typhoid fever, E. coli, which is the anobius, and the nectode parasite, which is correct, Guinea's worm disease, and HIV, which is AIDS. Hence, B is correct answer. Safe water supply. Orthotodyne test is used for detecting which is a chlorine. The total count of bacteria per cubic centimeter of domestic purpose varies from 0 to 100. In 1 liter of drinking water, coliform organisms should not exceed 10. Jaundice is disease of liver. Hydrophobia is feature of disease. Rabies. Water use are classified by the term DBU as designated best user. Thalassemia disease used for bacteria. The coliform organism in 100 ml of drinking water should not be more than 1. In post-disaster phase, for ensuring safe water supply, it is advisable to have a residual chlorine level of 0.7 mg per liter. For public water supply, the number on cobalt scale should not exceed 20. Hardness limit of public water supply range between which is 200 to 300. A methylmaloninemia disease is infected caused due to which is causing nitrates. Which of the following virus cause waterborne disease, which is hepatitis A? Excessive fluoride in drinking water cause, which is a molting of tooth and embrittlement of bones. Exam point of view is important point. Natural minerals contaminated in water is iron. The drinking water will save it is biochemical oxygen demand is nil. Water for domestic consumption should be hygienically safe. The term used to indicate the water which is not chemically pure is wholesome water. One of the important elements responsible for eutrophication is phosphate. Conductivity represents the concentration of the water sample dissolved solid. The most important salt that cause incrustation is sodium carbonate. Dissolved impurities in water, calcium carbonate. Hardness in water can be determined by PDTA method. As compared to stormwater, seawater contains which is 20% less dissolved water. The most common cause of acidity in water is carbon dioxide. What is the permissible limit of copper in water, which is 1.5 milligram per liter, which is mainly due to the suspended solid? Which instrument is used for measurement of odor of taste of spectrometer? Colloidal impurities are determined which is color test. The presence of dash causes reddish brown color of water, iron and magnesium. Water having pH 9 will be which is the alkaline. Dental cavities children is observed when the fluoride level in drinking water is less than 1 milligram per liter. Dental cavity in children is observed when the fluoride level in drinking water is less than 1 milligram per liter. Exam point of view important, the maximum permissible temperature for domestic supply is 10 to 50 degrees centigrade. When the pH value of water is 5, then it's got extremely strong odor. Disease caused by protozoa infection is malaria. The odor of the water can be determined by osmoscope. The commercial osmoscope is a graduated with PO dash values from 0 to 5. Turbidity is undesirable because it affected photosynthesis of aquatic life. Turbidity is ability of water to retain colloid solid in suspension. Dental cavities in children is observed when the fluoride level in drinking water is less than 1 milligram per liter. Pathogens are usually removed by which is a chlorination. In water treatment plant, the most commonly used coagulant is which is alum. And which of the following is approved for use in water supply pipe except which is a rubber? The large distribution system which requires a large number of score valve is which is the dead end system. Exam point is important point that the prescribed water consumption for school and college is 135 liter per capita per day as per the 1172. The prescribed water consumption of for airport is 70 liter per person per day. Per capita water consumption for hotel per bed 180 liter per person per day. Industrial and commercial water demand in a city as compared to total demand of the city 20 to 25%. Maximum consumption of water is noticed in paper factory. The domestic consumption of water supply in India is maximum for bathing. Per capita consumption of highest in hospital. According to Indian standard, the consumption of water per capita per day for nursing home, boarding school and hostel is 136 liter. According to Indian standard, 45 liters of water per person per day is provided in case of offices. The type of layout of water supply distribution system that has only one main from which sub-mains and lateral branch are also most suitable for irregular grown city, which is the dead end system. For transmitting the water, the common most used pipe is which is a cast iron pipe. The point where enough chlorine has been added to the quality of water to satisfy disinfection demand in thermal, which is a breakpoint chlorination. The dosing of water with a high dose of chlorine, often much larger than the usual condition of water demand, is termed as superchlorination. Which of the following type of chlorination recommended for water when there is an epidemic in the locality or when water quality is level and sudden fluctuation, which is a superchlorination? In drinking water, the amount of free ammonia should not exceed 0.15 milligram per liter. The maximum permissible hardness of public supplies is 115 milligram per liter. The true color of water is contributed by which of presence of which a dissolved solid. Most probable number is the unit to measure the which is the chloroform bacteria density in water. The most hazardous metal to human being is which is arsenic. Taste and odor in water can due to the presence of which is the dead microorganism, dissolved gases, iron compound. All options are correct. Which of the following type of drinking water is obtained by reclamation process, which is desalinated water? Water demand by drinking, cooking, bathing, gardening, staging purpose are known as domestic water demand. Safe water is one of which do not contain which is a pathogenic bacteria. Which of the following IS code is used for the basic requirement for water supply, drainage and sanitation? Hence, IS 1 1172 1993. For basic requirement of water supply, drainage and sanitation as per the IS code, what is domestic water demand in Indian cities and towns? D 135 liter per head per day. Which of the given option is incorrect with reference to factor influencing sanitation of house, which is a ruminous assertion? Cross-sectional study provide prevalence of the disease under study region. Cross-sectional study based on the single examination of cross-section of the population at one of the light of the above statement. Choose the correct answer from the given below. Hence, both statement 2 are the correct explanation of A assertion. Find additive are tested under FDA security for safety because which is the correct answer is that the highest dose of additive that produce no deleterious health effect in animals. Minimum depth of the lining of sanitary well is which is a 20 feet. The two-tier structure compromise laying of two pipe system from drainage, sewage and sludge in a building is ideal for dash and less polluted sludge collected from the building street for resupply, which water recycling, toilet flushing. The most economical and hygienic rural place which is the aqua privy. The most suitable and economical disposal unit for human strata is which is a privy pit. The wastewater from toilet is usually referred to as black water, and the rest of the wastewater are from these cities is referred to as which is the grey water. Consider the following statement regarding the activity sludge process. Industrial to prepare activated sludge process as it requires less space. Does not produce obvious odor and require less time for wastewater treatment compared to trickling filter. It requires skilled supervision. Biological treatment is enhanced because soft loading are eliminated. Hence 1, 2, 3 are correct. Consider the following tertiary treatment method of treatment of wastewater: ion exchange method, reverse osmosis, chemical oxidation method, activated sludge process. Hence 1, 2, 3 is correct. In the case of flexible connection, a bent lead pipe about 600 long is inserted between the ferrule and service pipe. The lead bent pipe is also called, which is called gooseneck. When the pipe is operated, the valve is opened, but when the pump is suddenly stopped, the valve is automatically closed. These are the property of following types of valve, which is the check valve. ठीक है, अब हम अगला पार्ट 2 में आगे का जो भी बचे हुए हैं बाकी हम पार्ट 2 में कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल.